Garmin GPS devices sometimes struggle to find satellites due to environmental factors like buildings or trees blocking the signal, atmospheric conditions, outdated software, or even low battery. This issue arises because GPS devices rely on signals from multiple satellites to triangulate your position. Understanding these causes is the first step in resolving the problem. Updates released in late 2025 enhance multi-constellation GNSS support, integrating GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, and Beidou. First, ensure you're in an open area with a clear view of the sky. Garmin devices need unobstructed access to satellites for proper signal acquisition. Then, try restarting your Garmin device by holding down the power button for several seconds until it powers off, then turn it back on. This can clear temporary issues affecting satellite search. Check that GPS is enabled in your device settings. Open the Settings menu and ensure GPS mode is turned on. If those steps don't work, perform a hot start, which uses stored satellite data for a faster lock. Access this option in the Satellite or GPS menu. For older devices, make sure your device has the latest firmware updates. Connect to Garmin Express and install any available updates. These simple solutions often resolve satellite finding issues quickly. Try them in order before moving to more advanced troubleshooting. Outdated software is a common cause of GPS satellite issues. Garmin devices need regular updates to maintain proper satellite acquisition. Connect your Garmin device to a computer and use Garmin Express to check for updates. This desktop software helps install firmware and map updates. Once connected, Garmin Express will check for available updates. Click Install to download and apply firmware improvements to your device. Alternatively, some devices can update via the Garmin Connect IQ app on your smartphone. This wireless option is convenient for quick updates. Regular updates include improved signal processing algorithms that help find satellites faster, address bugs that cause lockouts, and optimize overall performance. If basic troubleshooting steps like device resets and software updates don't resolve the satellite acquisition issues, a factory reset might be necessary. However, this will erase all your settings and data, so back up your Garmin data first using Garmin Connect or Garmin Express. Next, physically inspect the antenna connections on your Garmin device. Ensure the GPS antenna is firmly connected and undamaged, as loose or faulty connections can block satellite signals from reaching the receiver. Calibrate the compass on your Garmin device to ensure accurate directional information. Access the calibration menu in Settings and follow the prompts to rotate the device in Figure 8 patterns until calibration is complete. Access the satellite status page through your device's menu to monitor how many satellites are visible, their signal strength, and current GPS accuracy. This helps diagnose if the issue is environmental or hardware related. Clear the device cache to remove temporary files that might interfere with GPS functions. Additionally, disable unnecessary apps through the Settings menu to free up system resources. This has become a community-adopted troubleshooting protocol based on user experiences. Finally, restore your backed up settings and data to your Garmin device. Test the GPS functionality in different environments to confirm that satellite acquisition is working properly again. Garmin devices rely on Global Navigation Satellite Systems, or GNSS, to determine your precise location. GNSS consists of three key segments: the space segment with satellites, the control segment on Earth that monitors them, and the user segment, which includes your Garmin device. Signal strength is critical for accurate positioning and is measured by the signal-to-noise ratio, or SNR. SNR compares the strength of the satellite signal to background noise. A higher SNR means clearer, more reliable positioning data. Several factors can weaken the GNSS signal. Physical obstructions like buildings or trees block the line of sight to satellites. Atmospheric conditions, including layers like the troposphere and ionosphere, can delay or distort signals. Electromagnetic interference from power lines or other devices also reduces signal quality. To improve reception in challenging areas, Garmin integrates Assisted GPS or AGPS. AGPS uses cellular data to download satellite information quickly, reducing the time needed to acquire signals and enhancing reliability in poor reception zones. For accurate 3D positioning, which provides latitude, longitude, and altitude, your Garmin device needs signals from at least 4 satellites. This allows triangulation in 3 dimensions, ensuring precise location tracking for navigation. Buildings, trees, and even geomagnetic storms can interfere with GPS signals. Urban canyons and dense forests are particularly problematic. Electromagnetic interference from power lines or other electronic devices can also cause issues. Be aware of your surroundings and try to minimize potential sources of interference. Users reported GPS dropouts during the Chicago Marathon due to skyscraper interference and high device density. Garmin is increasingly using hybrid positioning systems that combine GNSS with inertial measurement units, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth for greater reliability. New devices use machine learning to predict satellite visibility, especially in urban areas. The rise of satellite megaconstellations might pose challenges due to increased interference. Quantum-enhanced GNSS and AI-driven signal filtering are expected to improve performance in the future. Expert tips and proactive maintenance are key to preventing GPS issues. Regular firmware updates are essential for optimal GPS performance, as they improve signal processing and fix bugs that cause satellite acquisition problems. Proactive maintenance, such as regular device resets and cache clearing, prevents many common issues before they occur, reducing the likelihood of GPS failures. User errors, such as incorrect device placement or using outdated software, are the most frequent causes of GPS problems, accounting for about 70% of reported issues according to Garmin. If all troubleshooting steps fail, consult Garmin's official support site or community forums, where users share solutions and Garmin provides detailed guides. Remember to update your device's software regularly through apps like Garmin Express or Connect IQ, and be mindful of your surroundings to avoid obstructions that interfere with satellite signals. By following these expert tips and maintaining your Garmin device proactively, you can ensure reliable GPS performance and minimize satellite acquisition issues.